Today we are going to make some fish tacos right on the beach.
Oh, got one. Boom. Got her. There we go. Fish on.
We are going to flare up and make some tacos. I'm hungry, so let's get to it. Guys, it's time to fillet this beautiful fish up and we're gonna make some tacos. Get my stove and everything set up right here. Boom, there's one fillet. Got them chopped up into little taco pieces. Get my burner on. Let's get some butter in there. I'm gonna get the fish seasoned. We got Old Bay's and we got Johnny's Seafood. All seasoned up. Let's get her into the pan. Alright, that is just about done. Now we're gonna squeeze a little lime on there. Finish off with a little bit of lime. And I got salsa and some cheese. I made that salsa last night. It's mango, lime, red onion, and serrano peppers. Let's try that fish. Oh my god. Super good. Oh, there was some sand. Where's my salsa right there? Right on the taco. There you go. Fresh beach taco. Oh god. Look at that. This fish was swimming around 20 minutes ago. Cheers. All right. That's good. Literally in the spot that I'm fishing, eating the taco of the fish I caught just 20 minutes ago, right on the beach.